How to add video on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I will guide you how to add video on Tinder. So to get started, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. First, you need to go to your Tinder application, as this will lead you to this kind of screen interface. On this feed, you can discover new people. As you can see different icon on the bottom, tap on the profile icon, as this will lead you to my Tinder profile. Here, tap on the pencil figured icon. Once you are here, tap on the plus sign. Then this will give you options. From there, you have to tap on upload photo from gallery if you want to upload photo from gallery. Here you can see videos. Tap on it. Choose a preferred video and adjust the video as you want. Once you finish adjusting that video, tap on preview loop. Now you have to tap on add to profile. Once you tap it, you are good to go. You have easily add video on your Tinder profile. So this was it for this video. If you found this tutorial video informative and helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.